Si Arnel, ang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Head clean. Nozzle test. Tung pichum 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 pum meow 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 minyum 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 tum tum pichum 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 tum 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 meow meow meow. Ito ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming capping. Ang aming ABR plug, ground bar at waste tank. Ito ang aming in-use supply. At ito ang aming use supply. Ito ang aming checklist. Ito ang aming workload. Supply white, black, magenta, yellow, cyan. At ito ang aming weekly inventory report. Ito ang aming daily record.